Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Audi e-Tron key. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. Before we begin, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. These are readily available and inexpensive, ensuring your key fob is powered for reliable use. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key. Press this button and slide out the emergency mechanical key. With the mechanical key removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. It should separate with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its designated slot until it clicks, indicating it's fully seated. Your key fob battery replacement is now complete. Test its functionality to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.